KeyDigital, the experts in digital audio-visual and control systems.
KeyDigital's Pro 30 M4K, 40 M4K, 50 M4K, and 75 M4K HDMI cables are a HDMI long length cable, directional, to ensure that it's delivering everything you need to make that a reliable long length HDMI connection. HDMI signals up to 10.2 gigabits per second. KeyDigital's long length HDMI cables, beginning at 30 feet and working all the way up to 75 feet long, KD Pro 30 through 75 M4K model numbers on those, are your surefire way of extending HDMI HDCP 2.2 signals up to 10.2 gigabits per second on that long HDMI cable. And the secret is in our booster tech technology. You can ensure that your cable is installed in the proper direction. There are bright yellow tags on the ends of the cables there that say source and display, in order to ensure you're going to have a quality picture on your screen at all times.